and I'm Noreen Go, together with Mozzie Ravenna, and we'd like to turn you over to the third member of our panel. Rina, what have you have for us? Well, I think we'll just get back to Rina later as play continues here. Again, this is the do or die match between the Lady Stags and the Lady Tigresses. Of course, the winner will go on to the finals with Ateneo just waiting at the wings and watching this game closely.
Oh, I saw Coach Roger somewhere over there.
Oh, the girls are all present. Later siguro makikita natin yan. And as scouting na to eh, di ba?
Oh, of course. And what better time to scout when you're playing strong teams like San Sebastian versus UST and vice versa. Makulangan, again to Ortiz, blocking is there. Panatikla, dug up by Benito. De Leon, oh, too near, but Boli gets it over.
That's right. You know, you can see the adjustments of Jeng Boli. Ang galing talaga eh. That's why she's our top scorer. Because if taas mo lang yung bola, she will adjust to the set. And that's a trait of a superstar.
Yes,
diba?
exactly.
Of a volleyball superstar. Hindi namimili ng set.
That's right. And if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Well, so far, the Makulangan 29 excellent sets against De Leon's 19.
Wow, that's still 10 points. Panatikla, dug up.
One hand save by Benito. Natawa rin siya doon sa reflex action niya. But Crisostomo doing a magnificent job.
That's right. And Boli surprising the USC defense by hitting it over. And San Sebastian doing a good job. 10-7 in the third set. You know, kung mag-trending tayo, ha? Okay. Based on the first two matches.
Eto na tayo. Okay.
This is Jeng Boli's time. It's Boli's time because I'm sure she wants to win this set.
Let's see. And how will UST address that?
Yes.
Kung halimbawang yun naman talaga yung trend. Di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga, that's the trend. So, napag-aralan ba na UST? Ano bang gagawin nila to stop that trend?
Exactly. It's also a test of character for this squad because obviously San Sebastian was able to see that weakness in that second match and they were able to win that set. Now, di ba, if you watched it, supposed to be UST na yun eh.
Oo, di ba, sabi ko nga, parang when you look at it, it's as if nandun naman sila on top of the situation, but San Sebastian was able to find a way to take it away, to take it home. Well, so far, Jeng Boli 13 points, Yu Taiwan and Caballero having 12 each.
That's right, Labiano.
Oh, that goes long once again. Unforced errors, just too many for the Lady Stags, not helping them.
That's right. You know, they have to maintain this lead, but service, number one, they have to put it in.
Kasi ano yun eh, no? Bonus point kagad sa kalaban.
That's right, Caballero. Benito.
Once again, that one-handed save by Benito.
Oh, Taiwan. Just hitting it through the blockers.
True, and almost lying down on that hit.
Well, Mary Jean Balse now serving for USC, serving 11. De Leon back to Benito. Easy does it. De Makulangan again. Crisostomo back to Boli.
Oh, not enough juice on that push by Jeng.
That's right, and don't look now, we are tied. That 2-point lead was short-lived for San Sebastian. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh, and Mary Jean, birthday nga. Birthday. Mary Jean Balse able to get an ace. Hitting the tape of the net with that serve.
But you know, for me, a lot of times, once it hits the net, no, nagsuscore yung the person serving. But the setter has to always...
Yeah,
Diba?
yung parang may peripheral
Abangan eh.
vision ka at least that, because it happens.
Yeah, lots of
Diba?
times. Caballero!
Oh, and that was really close as it goes wide for Caballero this time.
That's right, hitting air there by Judian Caballejos. We'd like to thank Axel, the official outfit of the Shakey's V-League. Daphne Rubino now serving for San Sebastian. You know, again, if they want to, you know, extend this to a third set, now is the time to act if you're San Sebastian.
And don't look now, partner. A while ago, it's as if they are in control of this third set. A set, as you said, that by trend, they do best the most, diba? Or
Yeah.
the most. So, pero ngayon, UST taking the lead in the mid-portion of this set.
Wow, and Caballero really all-around performance. And that was too near the net, but using her smarts there by just brushing it over.
As you see on your screen.
Yeah, that's Congressman JV. It's Congressman
Oh.
Congressman JV Ejercito together with
In
Mr.
between our big man of sports vision,
Our
big
handsome.
as in big, handsome, and hindi naman literally big. Mr. Ricky Balua and of course Mr. Moing Martelino. Ito yung tatlong importanteng tao na katulong why volleyball is and where volleyball is right now.
Exactly. I mean,
Diba?
we would like to thank the support and the
Of course, Congressman lending us his home, who is now known as the home of volleyball.
Yeah,
Yung arena, the very beautiful arena.
Well, UST still ahead here in this third set, 16-12. We'll be back.